So I'm going to show you how to break down a pomegranate, and we're starting right now. So when I was in Istanbul in Turkey, I used to walk the streets from my hostel and I would see a bunch of little street vendors selling pomegranate juice. And some street vendors I saw using this specific technique, and ever since I've been using it too. So if you're anything like me and you love pomegranates, then I hope you love this video. But before we begin, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So here's our beautiful pomegranate, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make cuts around the top of the pomegranate, around this stem right here, which is called the calyx. So with your favorite paring knife, start to make incisions around the top of the pomegranate like so. Then next we're going to remove the top off, almost like as if it were a lid. And now we can see the inner workings of our pomegranate. So visually we can see that our pomegranate is segmented. So the goal here is to separate each segment. So what we want to do is follow that line with our paring knife all the way down to the bottom. So keep in mind when parting these segments that we want to keep the bottom intact. And you're going to see why in the next step. So here we are, now we have our pomegranate segmented into these 5 wedges. So now you're going to remove that center core and clean off any pomegranate seeds that are stuck to it. And now you can toss this in the bin. So next, take a medium-sized bowl as well as your grandma's favorite spoon. Next, you're going to cradle your pomegranate over the bowl. And then you're going to tap each segment with that wooden spoon, and you're going to push as you tap, and this is going to help release the pomegranate arrows. Now as you can see, there are no pomegranate seeds remaining on that membrane, and you're just going to keep doing this with every segment. Until we have nothing left but the pomegranate rind, and you can simply toss this out. And here are our beautiful pomegranate seeds, and as you can see, there's a lot of white pith that is mixed in with this bowl, and I'm going to show you in the next step how to remove this. So what you want to do is add some water to the bowl now, and you're going to add enough to cover at least about 2 inches above those pomegranate seeds. So now you want to mix this with your hands, and what you're basically doing is disturbing the mixture, allowing the lighter pith to float to the top while the heavier seeds are sunken to the bottom. Now you're going to take a tea strainer and you're just going to skim all this pith out. Give it one more final mix just to get all those small pieces of pith out. So now that the pith is removed, we're going to strain our pomegranate seeds. Now here we have our little beautiful jewels of goodness. So now you can put this into some Tupperware and in the fridge, and this is gonna last you about 1 week. So there you have it, pomegranate seeds at your disposal. Now pomegranates are super versatile. You can use them as a sticky sauce with lamb, or you can put them into your salads, or you can use them in a variety of different desserts. So next time you're at the grocery store, definitely get a pomegranate and give this one a try. And if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to the channel. I really hope these videos are helping you, and if they are, then I've done my job. So I'm out of here, but I'll see you in the next video. But until then, keep on cooking.